Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update, that is KB5035853, if the taskbar is transparent. In my case, it is not transparent, but after installing this update, if your taskbar is transparent and if you want to fix it, then you have to uninstall this update. Generally, uninstalling update is not recommended, but to fix it, you can uninstall this update. You can go to Windows Update and then you can go to Update History and then scroll down and then you will see uninstall update option. You can click on it and then you will see this update, that is 5035853. You can click on uninstall. So uninstall it and let the uninstall complete. Now once the uninstall is complete, then when you go to Windows Update, when you click on check for update, again that update will be available to download. So and it will install automatically. To avoid it, you can pause the update for maybe 1 week or maybe 2 week. So you can click on this down arrow. You can pause the update till the time there is another update. Maybe in next update Microsoft will fix it. Till that time you can just pause the update. So uninstall this update, go to update history. First of all, uninstall this update. I think I have already uninstalled. It's uninstalling right now. Once the uninstall is complete, then go to Windows Update and then you can go to pause update and you can extend it for maybe 1 week or 2 week. After 2 weeks or 1 week, if there is another update which will fix this problem, you can resume the update maybe after 2 weeks. So that way you can just pause the update from installing it and you should be able to use your taskbar. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.